Mathis.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Mathis.
تعال مدرج عبينا حاجة تعال.
Ms. Mathis, is it possible that I can get a doctor for today? Excuse me, Ms. Mathis, this is James Phillips. Can I get a doctor for today?
Morning, Mr. Phillips.
All right.
I checked your email, Mr. Phillips. I sent it to you. Everybody, you can check your emails. I sent the doc.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Good morning, everyone. I didn't know I was muted.
Morning, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Let's keep going. Let's start with Alexis Lopez. Are you there?
Señora Alexis López, ¿está por
Sí,
allí?
aquí estoy.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, all right. Mr. Hernandez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez, SCAO Qualified Spanish Interpreter. Good morning to everybody.
Good morning. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
All right, put your hand down. This is the City of Detroit versus Alexis Lopez, case number SP 133-40841. State your name for the record, Mr. Lopez.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Alexis López, número de caso SP 133-40841. Señor Alexis López,
Sí.
¿es tan amable de decir su nombre para que conste en el acta?
Alexis López.
Alexis López.
All right, today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. I see you completed your 12 hours of community service. I want to thank you for that. And for that, I'm going to dismiss your case, sir. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day and good luck to you.
Ok, señor, hoy es el día y la hora para la revisión de su caso. Ya veo usted que usted ha cumplido aquí con sus horas de servicio comunitario, por lo tanto, su caso está cerrado, ha sido desestimado, se puede retirar ya. Que tenga buen día.
Gracias.
Thank you.
I'm going to try to start out lawyers. Welcome. I'm going to try to start out with the lawyers that I saw come in first. First, I saw Mr. Villaroo. Good morning. What's your client's name?
Good morning, Your Honor. I represent Leopoldo Garcia Hernandez.
Vamos a tomar los casos ahora como abogado. El primero que vi aquí fue el señor Villarruel. Señor Villarruel, ¿a quién está representando? Yo estoy representando al señor Leopoldo García Hernández.
This here, Leopoldo Garcia down here.
Your Honor, 1, 2, 3, 4, in the 7th line at 8:30. 9 lines.
Oh, that's you, Leopoldo? Okay, sorry, I thought he said, okay, I see.
Your Honor, this is the date and time for arraignment on the matter. I'm wondering if the city attorney is available. Perhaps we could have a discussion in a different room.
All right. I'm gonna put you in.
Su señoría, hoy es el día estipulado para la lectura de cargos y me gustaría saber si el abogado de la ciudad fiscal está disponible. Podríamos tener una consulta en una sala de consulta privada.
All right, I'll put you in breakout room 1, Mr. Goss. Can you join that room, please? All right, Mr. Davis, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
Nathan McCann.
Is he here?
Yes, he's present. Just want to set a bench trial date.
Willing to do some community service upon, if there's some sort of conviction or plea, will he agree to do some community service?
If there is, yes.
Trying to take care of everybody.
All right, this is,
I apologize, Your Honor. My lieutenant was asked, what due date for the jury trial?
oh, I don't know.
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Nathan McCain, case number U64797522. Appearance for the record, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. Maurice Davis, P76203, appearing with Nathan McCann, who's present, appearing via Zoom. Mr. McCann, state your name.
Didn't do anything.
Mr. McCain, can you unmute yourself? State your name for the record.
Yes, sir. Nathan McCann.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Davis.
I'll waive for my reading of the charges and the plea of stand mute.
Breaking an enter not guilty plea in class we have, give him a $0 bond. I will give him a trial date. You just want to go straight to trial, correct?
Correct.
Trial date, let's do January 5th. It's not going to be on the community court docket because I don't want that backlog. But he's got to agree to do the community service if there is a conviction or a plea.
Okay. Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem.
Okay, so January 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing
Okay.
further, Mr. McCain, Mr. McCann, you have a very good day. Good luck to you. Mr. Davis, I'll see you soon.
Okay, thanks, Judge. See you later.
Okay, Mr. Neil Brand,
Nice to see you, Judge. Good morning. How are you?
good morning. How are you?
I am very, very well.
Who's your client? Okay, Royals, Padina. Okay, so is he willing to do community service if there's some sort of conviction?
Judge, you said my name, but I don't know that you said my client's name. Did you say Mr. Rios Pineda?
Rios, what is your client's name?
Hiron Asmin Rios Pineda.
Padina, yes. Yeah, is he willing to do any community service if there's some sort of conviction or plea in this?
I think I would advise him to do that if the plea was not to the original charge. Just for those.
Well, I don't know what you can work out. I'm not, that'll be between you and the city attorney. Just that this is community court. The only thing on my docket is because he got his ticket out of the 4th precinct. And those tickets come to me via the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Well, as what I'm trying to do for him, if I can work out a deal with the city attorney today, it would be helpful to go through community court. So in this case,
I'll let you work out anything you need. If you need a trial date, whatever you need to do. It's just that if he's got to have that commitment to community service, if there is some sort of conviction or plea.
Judge, I heard earlier somebody had 12 hours. Is that a typical type sentence for a first offender?
Pretty much for the $240 fine, yes.
Okay, sir. And then it's a dismissal if everything works out?
No, not on this case. I think the city is only going as low as disorderly conduct.
Okay, so I'm sorry, because I don't do this very often in community court, but so the court can't take a disorderly conduct with a normal sentence and no community court, right?
I could, but I'm not in the community court. If he would, I'll send him off to his alphabet judge. That's like I say, my typical last names are G, L, or O. That's the people that come to me on my regular docket. I'm only having Mr. Rios here because he's out of the 4th precinct, and I'm the community court judge out of the 4th precinct. So every ticket that comes out of the 4th precinct comes to me. And we want them a commitment to community service if conviction and a plea.
Okay. No, that's perfect. I just wanted to make sure. So if he went to his alphabet judge, that would be a different day.
I know, yeah, whatever day he goes, wherever he goes with his alphabet judge, yes.
Okay, I would like to be a breakout room with the city attorney, please.
I'm gonna put you in line with the city attorney, because, Mr. Villaroo is waiting on you. He has the same, you got, I don't know, what went on?
He is too.
So I know, a bunch of,
Yeah.
everybody's got it. Good morning, Council.
Good morning, Judge.
Good
How are
morning.
you? I apologize. I didn't know you were on the record when I.
No, we're not on the record.
Oh, okay.
And his client is here too, so.
All right, bring him on in.
Your Honor,
We just wanna ask for-
the actual notice didn't say Zoom, and so we got in our car and we're driving like crazy to get here.
Now, let me ask you this. Your client went to community service.
Yes.
He'll do
If
community.
there's conviction or plea, I'll let you work out whatever you need to work out. You can get it dismissed and they bounce, you know, but other than that, you get. All right, let's bring him on in. Let's go.
Thank you, Judge.
So what do you want to do, Counselor, about your client? Will he make that commitment or not?
Talking to me, sir?
Yes, Mr. Brand.
I think so, after I talked to the city attorney, I just need Ms. Villarreal to, Evelyn, to tell, is that who it is today? No, who's the Emma. I just need Miss Emma Hernandez to tell him to stand by, because he doesn't know what we're talking about.
Okay, that's what I was going to ask, if you want me to interpret everything, because I cannot see him either. Okay, buenos días, el señor Ríos Pineda, su abogado, va a hablar con el abogado, el fiscal, para ver si pueden llegar a un acuerdo, ¿verdad? Por favor, manténgase en línea, no se retire hasta que su abogado vuelva otra vez a la pantalla para decirle al juez qué es lo que van a resolver. ¿Me entendió?
Está bien, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much. I understood.
Okay, so every attorney that we have for those cases, I'm just gonna put in the breakout room. You can wait on Mr. Goss to see where you're at with that. So that leaves me with Ms. Villarreal. Ms. Gronkowski.
Good morning, Rana. How are you today?
Very well.
Good. I have 3 cases today. I did put that in the chat. I was hoping to speak to Mr. Goss as well, if possible, please.
You need to speak to Mr. Goss as well, right?
Yes, yes, please, Rana.
Right, we'll get all 3 of yours. I'll put you in the breakout room as well. It's just more attorneys in here almost than their defendants. This is an unprecedented day for me to have all these attorneys. I don't see Ms. Glogowski. I do. All right. Now, who else wants to go in the breakout room and speak to the city attorney? I see your hand up, Attorney Aaron.
Boria.
Boria, good morning to you. You'll go to the breakout room. Peter Torrance, are you going to the breakout room as well, Counselor?
Judge, can I just set it for bench trial, and my client, if there's a conviction, will do the community service.
There it is. All right. Who is your client?
Mr. Ali, he's not here. If I could just waive his presence and do the arraignment quick.
I just can't imagine what's going on that day. This is really like unbelievable. All right. This is the city of Detroit. Unbelievable in the fact that I've never seen this many in one day. This is the city of Detroit versus Abdullah Akeem Allah. Case number U647962222. That's U647962222. Appearance for the record, please, and put your P number on the record, please, as well, Council.
Yes, Your Honor, for the record, Peter Torres, P68242 here Mr. Ali. I'll waive his presence and ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. We'll waive formal reading.
I'm gonna waive I'm gonna waive your client's presence, retained on the matter. I'll enter not guilty plea. I'll give him a $0 bond. And you indicated you want to just go on the trial date or.
Your Honor?
Yes.
I apologize. You went low for some reason.
Okay. I think my clerk is having a little episode over here. We need to get her some water. So we gotta make sure she's all right. All right, I'm gonna give him a $0 bond. I'll enter not guilty plea on his behalf. And I'll set a trial date for December the 14th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Judge, I'm in trial in Marquette on that date. Can we go to January?
January 5th, 2022 at 9 a.m. 2023 at 9 a.m. I don't think we can go back to January 5th, 2022.
I knew what you meant, Judge. We'll see you on January 5th. Thank you so much.
Great day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. What other lawyers do we have in here? I have Mr. Warbling.
Morning, Your Honor.
Who do you have, Mr. Warbling?
Judge, I have Mr. Andre Segura.
Oh. Does he have a registration and insurance?
I don't know if he does, Your Honor.
You want to find out?
Yeah.
No, he doesn't have the insurance or the registration or nothing because it was not his car. He was trying it out to buy it, but he did not buy it.
So a test driving situation, Your Honor.
Ok, señor Segura, entonces,
Where is he?
¿dónde está el señor Segura que no lo veo? Can you see him now, Your Honor?
This is the city of Detroit versus Andres Segura, case number SP 1224594, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hey, please, this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, on behalf of the defendant.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Andrés Seguras, casos números SP 122-45-941 y 942. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta, si su señoría Ben Berwin, representando al señor Segura.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to ask your client, does he have a vehicle now?
Ok, hoy es el día y la hora establecido para la consulta previa al juicio. Le estoy preguntando a su cliente, señor, ¿usted tiene en este momento un vehículo a su nombre?
No.
No.
Want to speak to Mr. Goss on that offer, Mr. Warbling?
If I could, Judge, yes, please.
We give him an
Señor
offer.
Warbling, ¿quiere hablar con el fiscal con respecto a eso? Sí, su señoría, me gustaría.
We'll give him an offer of improper plates.
Le dimos una oferta.
Oh, sorry, strike that. Improper plates. What did you say, Miss? Did you say something, Miss Williams?
Oh, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm sorry. We'll give him an offer of improper plates, 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, and we'll dismiss the matter and dismiss the other matter today.
Nosotros le podemos ofrecer una oferta de rebajarle el cargo a placas indebidas con 12 horas de servicio comunitario y se desestimará el otro caso hoy.
But I'll put you in the breakout room to see if you can work it out.
Entonces yo lo voy a mandar para la sala de consulta privada a ver si pueden trabajar sobre eso.
All right. We'll pass that matter. Attorney Lewis.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
My name is Randall Lewis. My client is seated right next to me. Pull in, sir.
Okay, what would your client is Wines, Michael Wines. Good morning, Mr. Wines.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, would your client commit to community service if there's some form of conviction or plea?
Yes, but he's a 67-year-old retired railroad employee from Norfolk Southern with no prior record. And he has status he lives in Windsor with his wife, has grandkids. In order to be able to travel back and forth from Windsor, I have to speak to the city attorney. It has to be only certain things can he accept. Otherwise, they're not going to let him back in and he'll be separated from his family.
Very well. You got the link there. All I need is that commitment to community service. If there is some sort of conviction or plea, and he's more than welcome, you guys are more than welcome to stay in this court. If I don't get that commitment, then I'm going to send him off to his alphabet judge. But in the meantime, I just put you, allow you to join the breakout room with Mr. Goss.
Okay, I appreciate it, Your Honor. Thank you.
Welcome. All right.
Just a few minutes before it's
Who do we have ready? Mr. Villaroo?
Your Honor, is it possible that I could speak to my client also in a breakout room, or should I call him, explain to him what the process is on what I just learned from Mr. Goss?
What's your client's name?
Leopoldo Garcia Hernandez.
Francisco, any chance you'd let me join too with the interpreter so we could do this at the same time?
Well, I'll just put it off. I'll let you guys go one at a time.
Okay.
Thank you.
I don't see your client in here.
He's here. He's just under a different name. Say hello.
Okay, who's
Hi.
that speaking?
Buenos días. Mi
Yeah,
nombre
the
es
screen-
Leopoldo García Hernández.
My name is Leopoldo García Hernández.
All right, good morning to you. Buenos dias to you. And Ms. Villaroo, Ms.
I'm going to join in then in room 4, Judge.
Okay, so I'm going there.
Yes, I believe he needs an interpreter.
Okay. Señor, tiene que ir a la sala de consulta privada donde dice join en azul. Okay, there he is.
Okay, do we have any attorneys that do not need, let's go ahead and get yours, let's get your case heard, Counselor. Counselor, you don't need an interpreter, do you?
No.
Let's get your case heard.
Oh, thank you very much, Judge. Why don't you step right up?
All right, why don't we step over here by the microphone?
Oh, okay.
All right. What's your client's name?
Worley, W-O-R.
The City of Detroit versus Aaron Douglas Worley. Case number U64796622. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Bill Colobus on behalf of Mr. Worley, the defendant. Also, Mr. Worley stands to the right of me before the court.
Mr. Worley, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Aaron Douglas Worley.
Okay, today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. My client's 26 years old. He has absolutely no priors. He's never had a case in his life under advisement or under any other statute. He's gainfully employed. We respectfully request a personal bond, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond.
Thank you.
And I want to know if your client has some sort of conviction by way of either plea or by way of guilt, getting found guilty at trial would he commit to do some community service through the Southwest Detroit Community?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Okay, with that commitment, what would you like to do? How would you like to proceed, counsel?
Your Honor, I did talk to the city prosecutor this morning, and we'd like to both like to put it over, if we may, about 3-4 weeks if possible, just because he wants to look into something with regard to resolution of the case.
This is going to be a pre-trial date. That date will be December the 7th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Pearl Arbor Day, that sounds good.
Sounds good.
Unfortunately,
All right, is that going to be fine with you? counsel?
that'll be good, Judge. Is
It
that?
is December 7th, Pearl Harbor Day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Is it, Your Honor, Your Honor, is that in person or by Zoom?
And that would be your pleasure.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Judge. By the way, you've got two great portraits in your courtroom.
Yeah, I try to feed off of that. Maybe you can give me a little bit.
You got them. They're looking at you. All right, you take care.
right.
We'll see you later. Is there any
Your Honor.
paperwork?
Yes.
Can I get the spelling of the of council's name and also the
Go ahead. You
Hello?
got this.
yes, council. Council, this is the court reporter. May I have your the spelling of your name and your P number this morning, please? Thank you.
You're talking to me?
Talking to me?
Council.
Are you talking to Bill Clovis? Okay. My P number is 38434, and the spelling of my name is Bill, B-I-L-L, and then last name is Clovis, C-O-L-O, V as in Victor, O-S as in Sam.
Thank you kindly, council.
So that's
Absolutely.
not short for William?
No, it must be a Greek thing, Judge. And Bill is Bill. And it's a name day, and not that the court really wants to hear the rest of it, but it's New Year's is our name day for Williams, Vashili.
All right.
And it means king,
All right.
but I never let that get to my head.
Well, you think my brothers are my brother and dad and my son are Williams.
Okay.
And my nephew is a Williams. So,
Wow, yes.
Yeah, but they're, my dad and my brother are Bill. One is Bill and the other one's Bill. And then my son, he just goes by Will, because I don't know, he didn't like Bill.
But his legal name is William?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Well, that's wonderful tradition, and Greeks love tradition
Yes.
and honor to carry the name down.
All right.
And we can also put the guilt on them that they don't get in trouble because they're carrying the name.
Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna help, but we try.
I'm gonna just wait for that paperwork.
Very well. Okay, do I have another lawyer that does not need an?
Hold on.
Ready, Your Honor. Oh, we're ready as well.
Mr. Brand, you're ready?
I'm speaking to my client through my personal interpreter. If you could pass me, I'll have an answer about community service in about 2 minutes.
I thought you were ready, Mr. Brand. All right.
Your Honor, we're ready.
Is there another lawyer that needs, Mr. Aaron Bora?
For you, Your Honor.
I'm sorry.
This is Cristobal Jacinto. And I did have a chance to speak with the city attorney. My client does want to take the offer here in this court and do the community service.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus. First of all, first, wait a minute.
Good morning.
Cristobal Jacinto, case number U64797322. Appearance for the record, please.
Thank you very much. Good morning, Your Honor. I'm attorney Aaron Bori on behalf of Christian Cristobal Jacinto, who's present with me. State your name.
Christian Cristobal Jacinto.
And Your Honor, I believe he needs to be arraigned. I'd waive formal reading.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. You wanna set it for trial and see where it goes, counselor, and then, if there's no, resolution on that day, then take the plea, or you want to take the plea now?
He wants to take the plea now and get it done, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, that's what you want to do, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's up to you. Can you raise your right hand, please, sir? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I swear.
All right, can you put your hand down, sir? Are you a United States citizen, sir?
No.
Are you aware that a conviction for a misdemeanor, particularly of this type, will, can potentially implicate immigration issues, sir?
Yes, I'm aware.
And you still want to go forward with this without giving your attorney an opportunity to see what he can do on your behalf?
But Your Honor, there is an offer to disorderly conduct.
Yeah, I can give an opportunity to speak with a immigration attorney. Because as I understand it, and I'm certainly not an authority on immigration law, but as I understand it, if he takes a plea even to this amended count of disorderly conduct, then they're going to have an issue. It will be a potential issue with the nature of this charge. I'll give your client an opportunity to speak with a immigration attorney, or you can go ahead and resolve it today.
Resolve it today, or do you want to talk to an immigration lawyer? I mean, at the end of the day, you either take the deal or you go to trial. If you go to trial, we got to go there to the court. Tom, you want to take the deal?
I want to take the deal today, Honor.
All right, sir, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes, I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna draw your attention back to September the 13th, 2022, at around 7:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Michigan and Proctor Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to have an encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Hang on 1 second. Your Honor, is there any issue with him pleading no contest?
Well, again, and the way it was explained to me thoroughly by a very reputable immigration attorney is that the no contest plea is not going to make a difference in this matter, because they're going to still look to the original charge and look to the information that's on the original charge. But I don't have a problem with them pleading no contest. I'll give the city attorney an opportunity to weigh in on that.
In the breakout room, I believe he said he didn't care.
That's true, Your Honor. He told all of us in the breakout room he didn't care.
Okay, very well. I don't have a problem with that. And I'll take that representation as an officer of the court. That's what his position is. So let's say this: will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket and the allegations as written in into the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that no contest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. With that, I'm gonna find your client is understand what's going on, sir. Your counselor asked the court, could you take this no contest plea? What no contest plea is, it is not admitting to the allegations or contesting the allegations. It is just entering into a no contest plea But I'm gonna treat that as the same as a guilty plea. So I will accept that no contest plea. And I will order 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
What's your phone number?
313-674-0693.
Get all that?
674
0693.
0693.
Yes, sir.
I have 313-674-0693, and everybody that's committing to community service needs to take this number down. This is to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. It is 313-879-2155. I'm gonna need you to take a, get testing done, HIV, STD testing. And you're gonna have to take a misdemeanor morality class.
You can also do that
And you can
through,
talk to Ms. Mateo or Mr. Phillips about how to go about getting those things done. I'm gonna set a review date for December 7th, 2022. I'm gonna need you back with that information so we can have it for the file and those 12 hours done. And then if we do that, we're gonna close this out under disorderly conduct.
For the HIV class, is there somewhere or not the class, but the test, is there somewhere specific he needs to go?
No,
Just anywhere, just,
anywhere he can get it, he can keep the results private to him. We just need to know that he's tested.
okay. And then for the morality class, I believe I have the information on that class. I actually tried to send him ahead of time, but they would not allow him to do the class until he came to court. Is there anything we need from the court in order for him to be able to take the class? Or does he just say?
I haven't seen anything, Counselor. It's gonna be a no disorderly conduct, no contest plea entered into the record now, so I don't know of anything that he needs. Nobody's ever brought that to my attention. It's always been they've been able to take the class.
Okay. All right. So who do we send the completed information to?
Either send it to me, you can send it to me. I'm gonna put my email address in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to let the good attorney know that the people that he's speaking about is us, Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. He has already been by here and we explained to him that we could not talk to him about the class or anything until he was ordered to do so by the court.
In addition, Your Honor, we are holding the morality course on the 17th of November. So if participants in today's court need to attend that class, they should know that we're holding it on the 17th and the next one won't be until the 13th of December. So they have to make contact with us immediately.
Okay.
And that number was 313-879-2155.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
This afternoon. Anything
Okay.
further, Counselor?
No, thank you for your time, Your Honor.
All right. Let me go, if there's nothing further, that'll conclude that matter. Let me call the city of Detroit versus Paul Douglas Hodges, case number SP 120-21731, SP 137-66452, and state of Michigan versus Paul Douglas Hodges, SX 332133301. You don't have to put your appearance on the record. Mr. Hodges, can you state your name for the record, please?
Paul Hodges.
All right, today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. Good morning to you, Mr. Hodges.
I'm good.
I see you halfway there, sir. Next time I need you to cover all of that up. I need to put a
Yeah,
shirt on. I don't want
I
to see all-
apologize.
Okay.
I apologize.
right.
I got hardware in my right shoulder and it broke right now.
All right, I'm sorry to hear that. So
I was trying to hold my phone up over my head.
you're halfway through. When can we get the other half done?
Judge, I don't know. I got to have surgery. I got the prescription to set up surgery on my shoulder because, like I said, I got hardware in here and I had fell and broke it a couple of days after I had court. And
All right, well, they have some work to do that doesn't require any lifting or maybe some phone answering, but since you are in that, I'm gonna put it back 60 days to give you an opportunity to work that through that issue, all right?
all right, I appreciate that.
All right, and I wish you the best of luck on that. I kind of can see that you're in pain just by looking at you on the screen. So good luck to you, Mr. Hodges. We're going to reset
Thanks a lot.
this date and until January 11th, 2023 at 8:25. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a great day. Good luck to you on that.
You
Get
too.
well soon.
Thank
And
you.
then keep in contact with Ms. Quinteo and Mr. Hodges, Mr. Phillips. All right.
Yep, I will.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Is there
Bye, Judge.
Angels, Gutierrez, Angels here?
El señor Ángel Gutiérrez se encuentra presente.
Eduardo?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, I'm here.
Gutierrez? This is the
Yeah.
city of Detroit versus Eduardo Gutierrez Angels, case number SP 138-59421. State your name for the record, please, sir.
Eduardo Gutierrez Angeles.
Okay, good morning to you. I see that you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. You've completed those 12 hours of community service. So
Yeah.
I thank you for that, and I'm going to dismiss your case, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, let's move on. So which lawyer, is there Andre Harris here?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
I try to get the reviews out of the way, the people that have done their things, so they're not ready. All right, have you done your community service?
I wasn't given that option.
Well, I don't know if you weren't given that option. You didn't take that option, or you weren't given that option?
I did, well, I don't think I was given that option.
All right, what happened here? There's no fine or anything.
You mean for Harris?
Yes.
You have to, I mean, you could do it.
All right, I think this one was never adjudicated. It doesn't appear to be. What happened in your last court date, sir?
I was coming back for a review. I was, the case was pending because I was with two of my other friends, but the case, I was not, I didn't do the crime that was, and I was coming back
We're
for
gonna
a,
have to set a trial date on this.
Yeah, there was some confusion because
Let's see. Trial 9. It says you pled guilty as charged. Okay, okay. And today was supposed to be set for trial. Okay, I got you. This is something that was not entered into the system. It's a little confusion. We're gonna have to set this matter for trial. You were willing to do community service, correct? If you were found guilty, right?
yes.
All right, let's have you back one time. I think that's a mistake on our part. This is the city of Detroit versus Andre Harris, case number SP 137-51141. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Mr. Huga, do we have a city attorney? I mean,
Is this retained, Your Honor?
no, it's not.
Okay, well, Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant.
Okay, today is the date and time. We're gonna set this as a pre-trial. We're gonna reset this on a trial date. I do remember this case. And I think that Mr. Harris's buddies were all here on that date. And either they took some kind of deal or went to some other court. And Mr. Harris maintains his right to a trial. So we're gonna give him that right. We'll get you back on December the 14th, sir. And we'll get some resolution on that date, all right?
Okay. December the 14th.
December the 14th at 9 a.m. I apologize for the mix-up, all right?
Thank you.
So just one more time and we'll have it straight this next time, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too, thank you.
All right. So now, where are the lawyers that need to,
Yeah, this is Francisco Villarreal. I'm ready on Mr. Leopoldo Garcia Hernandez, Your Honor.
As am I after Mr. Villarreal, if you'd like. Neil Brand
okay,
here.
let's go with Hernandez. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Leopoldo Garcia Hernandez, case number U64796322. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, estamos llamando a la ciudad de Detroit, está llamando al caso del señor Leopoldo García Hernández, número U64796322. Su comparecencia, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Francisco J. Villarreal, P34147, counsel for Leopoldo Garcia Hernandez.
Abogado Francisco Villarreal, número 34147. Soy el abogado para el señor García Hernández. Señor Hernández, diga su nombre.
Mi nombre
Por favor,
es
diga su
Leopoldo
nombre.
García Hernández.
My name is Leopoldo García Hernández.
Okay, today is the date and time set for an arraignment in the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Villarreal.
Your Honor, for purposes of the arraignment,
Hoy es el día y la hora establecido para la lectura de cargos. Por favor, prosiga, señor Villarreal. Sí, su señoría.
Your Honor, for purposes of the arraignment, we would stand mute, waive formal reading, and indicate for the record that we have reviewed the citation on the case.
Ok, su señoría, nosotros vamos a permanecer en silencio para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos. Vamos a rechazar la lectura formal y ya he realizado con mi cliente todo lo referente a la situación.
Muy bien.
Okay, what's your pleasure? What's your client's pleasure?
¿Y qué quiere hacer su cliente? Pues, ¿qué quiere hacer usted hacer?
Your Honor, after discussions with the Assistant Corporation Counsel, my client is going to plead to disorderly conduct, an amended charge. Understanding that there are some conditions attached to that reduction. He has been advised of his rights. I believe he will respond that he understands those rights. And this is going to be subject to the court's acceptance, a no contest plea.
Ok, su señoría, nosotros vamos a aceptar la oferta de conducta desordenada. Ya se le ha advertido y informado a mi cliente de todos sus derechos y los ha entendido. Y por lo tanto vamos a sostener una declaración de no contest, de que no se discutirán los cargos.
Okay. Will your client raise your right hand, please? Is that what you want to do, sir?
Ok, señor, su cliente, por favor, que levante su mano. Señor, ¿eso es lo que usted quiere hacer?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Put your hand down, sir.
¿Puede bajar la mano, señor?
Sir, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que si usted no es un ciudadano americano, una condena por este delito menor podría tener consecuencias en su estatus migratorio?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that if by taking, you understand this, if you're, the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende y sabe que la máxima condena para este tipo de delito puede ser de hasta 93 días en cárcel y hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
And do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y usted entiende que usted tiene el absoluto derecho a ir a un juicio si así lo desea.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa diferente aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado aquí para que conste en el acta?
No.
No.
Okay, counselor, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the response for the no contest plea?
We will do that.
Go ahead, go ahead.
We will do that, Your Honor.
Ok, entonces, abogado, usted estructurará sobre las bases de hechos, de bases de hecho y de base para el delito de que ha sido acusado su cliente. Sí, su señoría, nosotros lo hacemos.
Okay, I'm gonna enter a no contest plea for the amended charge of disorderly conduct. The sentence of the court is going to be 12 hours community service, HIV, STD testing, and a misdemeanor morality class. And you can do that 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I just need a good phone number from your client.
Ok, entonces nosotros la corte va a tomar su declaración de que no contiene, no discuta los cargos, va a imponer 12 horas de servicio comunitario, va a tomar un examen de HIV y de STD, va a tomar una clase de moralidad y eso lo puede hacer todo a través del Centro de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit. Ahora necesito un buen número de teléfono donde se puedan comunicar con su cliente, señor abogado.
It's area code 313-467-8788.
El número es 313-467-8788.
Okay, I'm gonna give your client till December 7th, 2022 to complete the class. He needs to call the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center this afternoon to set up the hours in the class at 313-879-2155. If there's no further questions, I wish your client the best of luck, and you have a very good day, both of you, Mr. Villarreal and your client.
Ok, entonces yo le voy a dar al señor hasta el día 7 de diciembre de 2022 a su cliente para, él se tiene que comunicar esta misma tarde con el Centro de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit a este teléfono, señora, anótelo, 313-879-2155. Tiene que llamar allí y ponerse de acuerdo con ellos para hacer esas horas de servicio comunitario, las pruebas y las clases. Y si eso es todo por ahora, ya con esto concluye el caso, se pueden retirar, a menos que usted tenga algo que decir o su abogado, señor Villarreal.
Your Honor, this will be an 8:25 time slot.
Exactly.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms.
Gracias.
Thank you, Ms. Hernandez, for your services.
You're welcome.
They're appreciated.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Mr. Villarreal. Señor, esto va a ser a las 8:25 de la mañana, la próxima fecha.
Sí, gracias.
¿Oyó?
Sí.
Ok, thank you. Gracias a todos. Gracias, señora, por su, señor Hernández, por su trabajo. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Signing out with your permission.
City of Detroit versus Haran Osman Rails Pineda, case number U64797722. Hearing for the record, please.
My name is Neil Brand on behalf of the defendant.
Ms. Villarreal.
Ok, bueno, estamos llamando al caso del señor Jarón Ruiz Pineda. Mi nombre es Neil Brand y estoy representando al acusado.
All right. What's going to happen with this case, Mr. Brand?
Señor Brand, ¿qué va a pasar con este caso?
Spoke with the city attorney and I spoke with my client.
Yo hablé con el fiscal de la ciudad y también hablé con mi cliente.
My client is willing to do community service.
Mi cliente está dispuesto a hacer las horas de servicio comunitario.
The city attorney has agreed to no objection to 3 provisions.
Ok, y con su abogado he aceptado a 3 objeciones sin provisión.
The first would be a drop to disorderly.
La primera será cambiar el cargo a conducta desordenada.
The second would be a no contest plea.
La segunda será una declaración de no contenderá los cargos, no disputará los cargos.
Which I have explained to my client is equivalent to a guilty plea.
Que ya yo le expliqué a mi cliente que sería más o menos lo equivalente a una declaración de culpabilidad.
But I do believe it will provide him a small advantage in the way that I'm trying to handle a different case.
Pero pienso que eso le dará un poquito, será más beneficioso para él en la forma en que yo estoy tratando de manejar este caso.
And finally, the prosecutor told me, he's 24 years old, the prosecutor told me that he has no objection to HIDA if the court would approve it.
Objection to what, Ms. Neil?
HIDA. The judge understands.
Okay, I will say it like that. Y también he hablado con el fiscal de distrito y ya que él tiene solamente 25 años, no tiene ninguna objeción al high-up.
I don't know if he's been arraigned, but we'd like to proceed completely today, Judge.
Yo no sé si él ya se le ha hecho la lectura de cargo, su señoría, pero en todo caso quisiéramos hacer todo hoy.
Purposes of arraignment.
Waive.
Y los propósitos para la lectura de cargo cedidos.
Filing a not guilty plea on his behalf, I'll give him a $0 bond. And if that's the agreement that you made, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Rios? Benita.
Ok, entonces yo voy a introducir para propósitos de la lectura de cargo una declaración de no culpabilidad y voy a poner una fianza de $0. Por favor, señor Ríos, levante su mano derecha.
All right, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Put your hand down, sir.
¿Puede bajar su mano, señor?
All right, sir, do you understand if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que si usted no es un ciudadano americano, cualquier declaración, cualquier culpabilidad de un delito menor podría tener una repercusión en su caso migratorio?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que usted tiene absoluto derecho a ir a un juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí, lo entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
¿Usted entiende que si usted toma esta oferta, usted está cediendo ese derecho?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa aparte de lo que está aquí en el récord, para que conste en el acta? No.
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 Okay. As for purposes of the no contest plea counselor, where your client, you on behalf of your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
Ok, con respecto a la declaración de que no disputa los cargos, ¿cuáles son está dispuesto a hacer la estipulación y las bases de hecho para el mismo?
Yes.
Sí, sí.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm going to enter a no contest plea to the amended count of disorderly conduct.
Ok, entonces con esa estipulación hecha, yo voy a introducir una declaración de que no disputas los cargos para el cargo enmendado de consulta de conducta desordenada.
I am going to order your client to do 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, take HIV STD testing, which will be private to him. And I'm going to order him to do the misdemeanor morality class. And I will allow the IDA for your client.
Ok, entonces dicho esto, le voy a imponer a su cliente 12 horas de servicio comunitario con el Centro de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit. Tiene que tomar los exámenes, las pruebas de HIV y de STD y tiene que hacer las clases de moral. Todo esto a través del Centro Comunitario del Centro de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit. Y estoy de acuerdo con, también acepto lo del Hike Up.
And I will give your client until December 7th to complete those community service hours and those requirements. I need a good
Yo le doy a su cliente hasta el 7 de diciembre para que cumpla con esto. Necesitamos un número de teléfono donde nos podamos comunicar con su cliente.
I couldn't hear.
313.
Ajá.
551-9379.
Ok, Your Honor. 313-551-9379.
Correcto.
Correct.
He needs to contact the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center at Trace 103 879-2155.
Él tiene que contactar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit al teléfono que le dio el juez, 313-879-2155.
Your Honor, my client, we will have a meeting with my client explaining everything about the Southwest Community Center and how to go about this. either later today or tomorrow morning.
Su señoría, ya bien sea en la tarde del día de hoy o mañana temprano, yo voy a tener una reunión con mi cliente para explicarle los servicios del Centro de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit.
Very well, just make sure that he asks for Miss Quinteo when he calls over there.
Muy bien, asegúrese de que él cuando llame pregunta por la señora Buentello.
There's nothing further. You and your client have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Judge, did you set a review date? I didn't hear if you did.
December 7th.
Okay, and are lawyers required at that review date or not?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Nice to see you. Nice to see everyone. Thank you.
Nice to
Ms.
see you. Have a very good
Hernandez.
day, you and your client.
Okay, si eso es todo, se pueden retirar, su señoría, disculpe, pero yo no oí que usted diera una fecha para la revisión. Sí, sí la dio, dijo la señora Williams, es el 7 de diciembre. Y el abogado preguntó si tenía el abogado que está presente. Y no tiene que estar presente. Pero usted, señor Ríos, tiene que llamar a la señora Buentello.
May I log off?
You may, and your client.
Ok, tanto el abogado como su cliente pueden ya salir de retirarse.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're running on Tuckerman as well.
Yeah, I got you. Mr. Warbling, did you work something out?
Judge, I think we're ready, Your Honor.
Your Honor, we're ready on wines too.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna try to get as quick as I can. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Segura. Mr. Warbling, I've given you an opportunity to speak with the city attorney on this matter. What was the resolution?
So Judge, my client
Okay,
understands his,
señor
oh, sorry.
Señor, I'm sorry. Señor Weberly, ¿usted ha tenido la oportunidad de hablar con su cliente? Sí, yo tuve la oportunidad de hablar con mi cliente. ¿Qué ha decidido hacer, señor Weberly?
And Judge, he wants to waive his rights, accept the offer, although he just wants to pay the fine.
Ok, su señoría, él quiere ceder sus derechos sobre la oferta, él simplemente quiere pagar la multa.
Mr. Warbling, you know this doesn't work like that.
Señor Weberly, usted sabe que esto no funciona así. Ok.
Well, then does it need to be sent to the alphabetical, Judge, Your Honor?
Entonces tiene que ser mandado a su juez que le corresponde alfabéticamente, su señoría.
It should be. I mistakenly said that I mean, because if I let him do this, everybody's gonna want to pay. This is just not what this is about. He wouldn't be here other than the fact that he's got his ticket out of Southwest Attorney.
Understood, Your Honor.
Si yo acepto eso, entonces todo el mundo va a querer hacer lo mismo, y si él está aquí es porque él tuvo un ticket en el suroeste de la ciudad de Detroit. Sí, yo entiendo, su señoría.
It's 12 hours of community service. Does he want to do it, or you want to go to the alphabet judge?
Son 12 horas de servicio comunitario. ¿Él las quiere hacer o quiere ir al juez que le toque alfabéticamente?
12.
Your Honor, I cannot hear the word they're talking about, and the interpreter cannot interpret what she cannot hear.
I understand. Sounds like he's got his counsel there outside of Mr. Warbling, that's a professional on the matter.
Sí, bueno, yo entiendo eso. Aparentemente él tiene su abogado allá al lado, aparte de el abogado Werbling, que es su abogado ante la corte.
I'll give you an opportunity to talk to them in a breakout room if you choose.
Yo le doy la oportunidad de hablar con él en una sala de consulta privada, si así lo desea.
Judge, we'll just take a new day with the alphabetical judge, Your Honor, if that's okay with the court.
Si la corte está de acuerdo, su señoría, nosotros, bueno, tomaremos el día que usted nos dé para que él se presente ante el juez que le corresponde alfabéticamente.
All right, we'll get you a new date.
Thank you, Judge.
Ok, yo le voy a dar entonces su nueva fecha con el nuevo juez.
Señora, ¿me oye?
Yes, I can hear you.
When is my case going to be called?
I don't know, I'm just the interpreter, Your Honor, sir.
¿Cuándo van a hablar a mi caso?
Excuse me, I would like to know when my case will be called.
Oh, Taylor, Mexico. Yeah. Let me text that. Yeah, she out of the state.
Es que la última vez yo esperé hasta las 2 y no llamaron mi casa.
What's your name, sir?
¿Cuál es su nombre,
Carlos,
señor?
Carlos Ojeda.
Carlos Ojeda.
Thank you, Judge.
Are you, do you have a case or are you attorney?
¿Usted es un abogado o usted tiene un caso aquí?
Yo tengo un caso, no tengo abogado.
I have a case, I'm an defendant. I don't have a case. Your Honor, he is in the 835 docket, first page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th line. Ojeda, Ojeda, Carlos.
All right. We'll call him, tell him to sit tight. All right, this is, let's
Okay,
go with
señor. Ok, señor, ya tenemos su nombre, por favor, espere, ya sabemos que está allí, por favor. Ok, vamos a llamar otra vez al señor. Who are you calling, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
Is Ms. Kolgowski there?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Have you worked out the issue with your client?
I have 3 separate cases. 2 we are looking
All
for.
right, let me get some of these one things out. I see one is Maynard.
Yes, Mr. Swartzel.
All right, I'll print yours up. Now, who is next? Who's got theirs ready? Counselors that have theirs ready.
Tuckerman's ready.
Let's call, okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Thomas Jordan Tuckerman, case number U6476, strike that, U64796522. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Matt Van Steenkist, P71071. Mr. Tuckerman sits behind me.
Does he need an interpreter?
He does not, Your Honor, and he is a U.S. citizen. We've had a chance to reach a resolution, which should be before you. He's going to plead to a disorderly conduct with the understanding he's HIDA eligible. He was 20 years old at the time. We understand the general provisions, the HIV testing, misdemeanor morality class, and ours a community service. I provided him with all the material, Your Honor.
Okay, as for purposes of arraignment.
We just waive the formal reading. Stand my client mute, enter not guilty plea, Your Honor.
All right, I mean, you're not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. And as for, I think about it, the other case, and maybe you can advise, I don't, on the HIDA, I thought it was supposed to be a guilty plea. I gave the other gentleman a no contest plea, but I thought the purpose of HIDA was accepting the responsibility, and
Your Honor, I don't know if my client's not asking for a no contest plea. He's willing to enter a guilty plea. He does wish to avail himself of HIDA. I do believe what your sentiment is correct. I think you have to take a guilty plea.
Okay, sir, Mr. Tuckerman, can you state your name for the record, please?
Thomas Gordon Tuckerman, Your Honor.
Okay, good morning to you. Is this what you want to do, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. So do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 of fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to September the 7th, 2022 at around 7:40 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Michigan and Proctor, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you offer someone some money on that day for an exchange for some sort of sexual favor, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, is that, you satisfied, counselor?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied. I'm going to accept your plea to the amended count of disorderly conduct. I'm going to order you to do 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Get HIV STD testing, which results will be private to you, and take the misdemeanor morality class. I will grant your client a HIDA sentence on this, sir, on this counselor. I need a good phone number for your client.
734-834-5644.
Okay, you got the number of the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, Your Honor, I'll direct him to call that today. Will there be a review hearing on, you said December 7th?
December 7th.
Okay, and then Your Honor, I'll direct him to email that email address for the HIV, just the receipt for the testing, not the results.
All right, if you get this matter cleared up by review date, sir, we'll close this matter out under HIDA, okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a very good day. Who's next? Mr. Lewis,
Yes, I'm ready, Your Honor.
were you able to work that out for your client?
Unfortunately, we can't today because of his resident status in Canada.
All right,
He's
this
a
is
U.S.
the city of-
citizen, but he resides in Canada.
This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Allen Wines, case number U67974222. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Randall Lewis, and I appear on behalf of Mr. Wines. He's seated to my left. He stands mute for arraignment purposes.
All right, I'm gonna, good morning to you, Mr. Wines. This is, today is the date and time set for arraignment. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna give, an enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. And
Thank
what
you.
would you like to do? Pre-trial?
Yes, Your Honor, in front of the, Mr. Goss told me to request the alphabet judge.
Well, Mr. Goss, I'm asking you what you want to do. You know, Mr. Goss is not running. Tell Mr. Goss he's not running this show.
Right. Set it for a pretrial, Your Honor.
All right. Does your client, I talked to your client, is he willing to do community service if he gets some, you already agreed to the community service or if he gets some kind of conviction or plea in this case, correct?
I have, Your Honor, but because of his status in Canada, I have to file a deviation request. We can't resolve the matter today.
I understand that. Yeah, I think you gotta understand what I'm saying. Now, I can send you off to your alphabet judge if you choose. I'm saying if there is eventually some sort of conviction, then will he do the community service? That's all I've got the.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
I'll let you do and try your case the way you want to do it. It's just that I need that commitment if there's a commitment, if there's a conviction. All right. I'll set a pretrial date. What do you say? 30 days?
If we could have a little more time than that so I can supply what I need to do to this with the city attorney.
January 11th, 2023.
Thank you, Your Honor.
At 8:30 a.m. Bond is continued. And we will allow him to travel back and forth to Canada. He lives there but works here, or he's retired, you mentioned?
He's a retired, he worked for Norfolk and Southern, and he's a resident alien and has been so in Canada since the late 1980s.
Very well. If it's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day. Good luck to you.
One other thing, Your Honor, with all due respect, is it possible to change my client's address to a PO box for purposes of court notices?
Can you do that? PO box?
I mean, I could try.
I'd really appreciate it.
All right, we'll try. I
Okay.
got that. All right, what's the PO box?
It's PO Box 47227 Oak Park. And the zip code is 48237.
All right, we'll see if that works out for him. I'll let you want to try it now.
Your Honor,
Try to
thank-
enter that into the system now. We'll see if that works, and you sit tight, we can give you confirmation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Attorney Lewis, may I have your P number? This court
Yeah.
recording.
Yes, it is 46134.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, let's go ahead, Mr. Warbling. Let's go back on the record one more time with Segura. Mr. Warbling, you're gonna be in front of Judge Kennedy, courtroom 333 on 11/28/2022 at 8:35 a.m.
722, Your Honor.
11/28.
1122. Thank you, Judge.
All right, if it's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day.
Thank you, Judge. You and your staff do the same.
Señor Segura, ¿me oyó?
All right.
Bueno, señor Segura, tiene que estar el 28 de noviembre a las 8:35 de la mañana.
Is he still here? He's gone? Okay, let's move on.
Yeah.
Any other lawyers need to be taken care of that are retained? All right, yeah, Ms. Bogowski, I got you. Let's start off with the city of Detroit versus City of Detroit versus Maynard Suzio. Case number SP 1381950, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record.
Ok, esta es la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Suazo Maynard, en los números de caso SP 138-19, 500-01 y 500-02. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Rachel Glogowski, P74194, and please state your name.
Mi nombre es Rachel Golowski, número 74194. Por favor, señor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Okay. State your name for the record, sir, please.
Señor, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta. No se le oye. Se tiene que acercar al micrófono.
And if we may please correct his name,
Por favor, podemos corregir su nombre. You're cutting and I cannot hear him at all.
Mi nombre es Edras Suazo.
My name is Edras Suazo. Edras like E-D-R-A-S.
yes, that's correct, Your Honor. Maynor is his uncle's name. I'm not sure how that got on the ticket.
Sí, su señoría. Maynor es el nombre de su tío y no sé cómo apareció ese nombre en su ticket.
That might be good for him. Did his uncle get stopped or did he get stopped?
No, he did get stopped, Your Honor.
Ok, a lo mejor esto es bueno para él, su jefe el que estaba ahí, o él, no, él estaba en el...
I can't understand why his uncle's name is on here.
Yo no entiendo por qué entonces el nombre de su abogado está aquí.
Unfortunately, the only ID that he was able to show the officer was an immigration document showing that his uncle was his sponsor, and I think that's why the officer took that name.
Yo pienso que toda la confusión es porque él, como documentación, él tuvo que enseñar una identificación de un documento migratorio donde muestra que su tío es su patrocinador y pienso yo que de allí es toda la confusión.
Okay, hold on. Mr. Lewis, we did change the address.
Thank you,
Ok,
Your Honor.
señor.
That
Ya,
change of
ya.
address is for my client.
Yes.
Oh, I really appreciate it. I'm sure you understand why.
Yep. All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good day.
You too, Your Honor, and nice to see you and have nice holidays.
You as well. You as well, Mr. Wine.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Sucio. What is your name, sir?
Señor, ¿cuál es su nombre?
Edras Suazo.
Edras Souso.
Spell it for me,
Suazo.
please.
Suazo.
Por favor, deletrelo.
S.
He's gonna have to speak up. No, something's wrong.
Él va a tener que hablar más cerca o pegarse del micrófono porque no se le oye.
S-U-A-Z-O.
S-U-A-Z-O.
And what is your first name?
¿Y cuál es su primer nombre?
Edras. E-D-R-A-S.
Edras. E-D-R-A-S.
E-V-R-A-S.
E-D-R-A-S.
Okay, Ms. Glogowski, what do you want to do with this case?
Ok, entonces, señora Glogowski, ¿qué quiere hacer usted con este caso?
Yes, Your Honor. Unfortunately, due to some immigration-related issues, we're not able to take advantage of the city attorney's offer at this time. If we may please have it set for a pre-trial or a bench trial.
All right.
Ok, su señoría. Debido a asuntos migratorios, nosotros no hemos podido pagar, no podemos pagar una fianza. Por favor, nos puede dar una fecha para una consulta previa al juicio.
Will he commit to the community service if there's some sort of conviction?
Y si usted, después de esto, usted estaría dispuesto a aceptar hacer horas de servicio comunitario, como parte de alguna condena.
Yes, definitely, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría, definitivamente.
Okay. Trial date is going to be December 14th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Ok, entonces el día para el juicio va a ser el 14 de diciembre del 2028 a las 8. 8:30, Your Honor, you said?
9 o'clock.
Ok, a las 9 de la mañana.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias, su señoría.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Ok, señor, si no tiene más nada, que tenga muy buen día, se puede retirar.
Gracias.
All
Thank you.
right, this is the city of Detroit versus El Lardo Martin Perez, case number SP 1052797, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Rachel Glogowski, P74194, on behalf of Mr. Eladio Perez.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Eladio Pérez, caso número SP 10527971 y 72. Tus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Mi nombre es Rachel Glogowski, número 74194, representando al señor Eladio Pérez.
There's the date and time set for a pre-trial. In this case, Ms. Glogowski, what's your client want to do?
Ok, hoy es el día y la hora establecido para la consulta previa al juicio. Señora Glogowski, ¿qué desea hacer usted hoy?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd like to take advantage of the city attorney's offer to dismiss both charges, please, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría, nosotros pedimos que los cargos sean desestimados, después se lo pedimos al fiscal.
You said, so what was the offer?
To
¿Y cuál fue
dismiss
la
both,
oferta?
I apologize, to dismiss both charges.
¿Y cuál fue la oferta con la fiscalía? El desestimar ambos cargos.
The city attorney was willing to dismiss both the cases.
El abogado, el fiscal de la ciudad estaba dispuesto a desestimar los dos cargos.
Yes, Your Honor. There was an issue with the ticket, and based on the fact that Mr. Perez did complete community service for recent tickets, Mr. Goss was willing to dismiss those.
Sí, su señoría, hubo una equivocación con los tickets y ya que el señor Pérez había ya pagado las horas de servicio comunitario con otros tickets, entonces el fiscal decidió desestimar estos dos cargos.
Okay, I'm gonna adopt the recommendation, dismiss both the tickets. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. He's gonna be responsible for the $245 reinstatement fees.
Ok, entonces yo voy a desestimar algunos tickets y voy a ceder el costo, pero él es responsable de $45 por reinstalación por ambos tickets.
He'll pay those immediately, Your Honor. Thank you.
Él los pagará, su señoría. Muchas gracias.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have to tell your client you have a very good day.
Thank
Ok,
you.
si no hay nada más, que tenga buen día, se puede retirar.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus
Porfirio.
Rio Chavez Martin, case number U64797222. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Porfirio Chávez Martín, número caso U64797222. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Rachel Glogowski, P74194.
Mi nombre es Rachel Glogowski y número 74194.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Ok, hoy es el día y la hora establecido para la lectura de cargos. En este caso, ¿qué desea hacer, señora abogada?
For purposes of arraignment, we'd like to enter a plea of not guilty, and we're respectfully requesting a bench trial if possible, and he would be willing to do the community service.
Ok, su señoría, para los propósitos de lectura de cargos, nosotros solicitamos una declaración de no culpabilidad y solicitamos un juicio por jurado y mi cliente está dispuesto a hacer las horas comunitarias.
Okay, I'm gonna set a trial date for December 14th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Ok, entonces voy a establecer la próxima fecha para el día del juicio. Será el 14 de diciembre del 2022 a las 9 de la mañana.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias, su señoría.
Have a very good day, Counselor.
Thank you.
Que
Thank you
tenga
for your patience.
muy buen día, abogada, igualmente, su señoría.
And thank you, Madam Interpreter. Have a nice day, everyone.
You're welcome, thank you. Y gracias, señor intérprete, que tenga buen día.
All right, the person on the Samsung device, you have your hand raised. Can you unmute yourself, please?
La persona en el dispositivo Samsung que tenía su mano levantada. Por favor, su nombre.
Carlos Ojeda.
Carlos Ojeda.
I speak English, Your Honor.
Yeah, I understand that, but you got it. We're going in order, sir. I understand
Oh,
you got
okay.
places to go. You got people to see. I got your name down here.
Okay,
but
it's
we're
just
going in
that the
order.
last time, excuse me, Your Honor. It's just last time I waited until 2 o'clock and I never got called.
Not with me.
Okay. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Was I the judge?
I don't know. I called in and they put me in a waiting room and I stayed there until 2
Yeah,
o'clock
that
and I
wasn't-
called.
That wasn't with me.
Oh,
What's
okay.
your name,
I'm
sir?
sorry. I'm sorry.
What's your name?
Carlos Ojeda, Ojeda.
This is the city of Detroit versus Carlos Ojeda, case number U 64776622. Appearance for the record, please. There's no, you don't have your own counsel, do you? Mr. Ojeda?
No, sir.
Can you put your appearance on the record, Mr. Faulkner?
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And Mr. Wozak is also your, I'm co-counsel with you, Your Honor.
Yes, yes. Good morning, Mr. Watley. All
Hi,
right.
Judge. Good morning.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. The offer is going to be disorderly conduct, 12 hours of community law. You're here with me, so you would be in front of me anyway. 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, or a fine of $240. And then STD HIV testing, misdemeanor morality class. Your client has an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Faulkner. The deal can only get better if he gets found not guilty, or if the officer doesn't show up on the trial date, but it can't get any worse. It'll be the same offer on the date of trial. What would you like to do, Mr. Ojeda?
I'd like a trial, sir.
All right.
I agree, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to give your client the trial date. Of January the 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m., sir.
Will I get notice in the mail, sir?
You know something, I can't speak to that. You should get notice in the mail, but it's.
Usually they don't, Your Honor.
I just tell you to keep this date. You got the date now, January 5th.
Yes.
You should notice in the mail though.
Okay, January, what was that?
5th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
January 6th
5th,
at 9 a.m.
January 5th,
Okay.
9 a.m., 2023. That's
5th.
January 5.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a good day, sir. Great. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir. You also, and happy Thanksgiving.
You as well. The counselor in here, the retained counsel is at Elasa, Lawrence.
Yes.
All right, non-responsive. So.
I'm Nazar
who's on
Lechwell.
Yes, who's on the Samsung device that has their hand up?
El señor que tiene la mano alta, ¿cuál es su nombre?
I'm sorry, I'm gonna move on.
Señor.
Germain.
His name is Cruz Hernandez Germain.
Yeah.
On the Samsung
And
device?
he was, yeah, in the LG Stylo 6.
Okay.
Oh, I'm talking about the Samsung. Okay, who's the AG Stylo 6?
Cruz Hernandez Germain.
And where are they?
Levante la mano, señor. Para
No,
que el juez lo vea.
where are they on the docket?
Okay, 830, Your Honor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th line.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Yermahin Cruz Hernandez. Case number U6476, strike that, U64796422. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Cruz Hernández Yermaín, número de caso U6479, borré eso, 796422. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Germain Cruz Hernández.
Yermaín Cruz Hernández.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant, Your Honor.
Y yo soy el señor Falken representando al acusado, su señoría.
All right, for purposes of arraignment, Mr. Faulkner.
Stand mute and wait formal reading.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargo que desea hacer, señor Falken, vamos a permanecer callados y vamos a ceder la lectura formal.
All right, I mean, you're not guilty, then we find you have, give him a $0 bond. And I'll find out, you want to talk to him in a breakout room, Mr. Faulkner?
What was the
Okay,
charge on his?
His is. This is offer to engage.
Okay, the normal offer.
Yeah, 12 hours community service and disorderly conduct and misdemeanor morality and HIV testing.
Okay, yeah, I'll be in the private room with it.
Ok, señor, nos van a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que usted hable con su abogado. Su abogado ya habló con el juez de lo que están ofreciendo y quiere hablarlo con ustedes privadamente y conmigo. Y nos van a mandar para una sala de consulta privada.
Está bien.
Lo ve ahí, apriete, botoncito, dice un botoncito azul que dice habitación 2. ¿Lo ve, señor?
He has an absolute right to a trial.
Y usted tiene absolutamente un derecho de ir a juicio si usted quiere ir a juicio. Pero ya lo vamos a hablar con su abogado. ¿Vio el botoncito? Perfecto. Ok. Let's go.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Archie Leroy Logan. Case numbers SP 1350340, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Wazik, can you put your appearance on the record for Archie Leroy Logan Jr., please?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr.
Good
Wazik.
morning.
Yes, Judge, I came in from the breakout room and I am Daniel Wozak. My bar number is P35225 on behalf of the defendant.
Yeah, I just opened that breakout room for you, just so that you'll have it. I noticed I hadn't put you in, assigned you one. All right, Mr. Logan, can you state your name for the record, please?
Archie Lee.
Okay, we're having some difficulty on the responsiveness on your device. It seems like it's going slow. Try that again, Mr. Logan. State your name for the record. I think he's frozen.
Archie Leroy Logan Jr.
Okay, very well. Today is the date and time. Oh, yesterday was the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. Mr. Logan, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, sir.
Can you provide that to the court just by way of holding it up to your camera so I can check the dates on those documents?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what you have there. All right, I have insurance that is valid. All right, so I can get the and I have registration that is valid. I'm gonna dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a very good day.
All right, thank you. Yes, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Daryl Lindsay. Case numbers SP 1369694, counts 1 and counts 3, and U 647976622. Appearance for the record, Mr. Wozniak.
Yes, good morning, Judge. I'm Daniel Wozniak with the defendant.
All right, Mr. Lindsay, can you state your name for the record, please?
Harold Lindsay.
Okay, today is the date and time set for an arraignment. Go ahead, Counselor.
We'll waive formal reading and stand mute for the arraignment, Judge.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. As for SP 1369694, counts 1 and counts 3, I'm going to set aside the defaults in those matters. Do you have valid registration for this vehicle, sir?
For the vehicle?
Yeah, it's a 2007 Cadillac.
I don't even have that car. That was somebody else's car that I was driving. And that car wasn't mine. I have a 2015 DMC Denali.
Do you have a valid registration for that GMC Denali?
Yes.
Can you show that to the court, please?
Yes, hold on one second.
Ready? ¿Pasan la mano? No.
Okay, you have to be quiet, please. I tried to call your name, Counselor, but you didn't respond.
Upside down.
For Mohammed.
I apologize, Your Honor. Sorry.
Do you want to what does your client want to do anyway? Where is his case? Do you want to stay here? Or do you want to go to your alphabet judge?
No, I'd like to remain here. I just don't have an official offer from the prosecutor.
Okay, let me clear up. Let's get this. Mr. Lindsay, I want to dismiss SP 1369694, counts 1 and counts 3 for providing valid documentation. You can put that down. As for purposes of the other misdemeanor charge here, your client has we'll offer your client a disorderly conduct. It's going to be, he can have absolute right to a trial. I can set it for trial date, see if he can do better than that. If not, we'll leave that offer open on the date of trial. You want to take that deal, Mr. Lindsay? You want me to set a trial date?
I got him take the deal.
You're gonna just take the deal, sir? I gotta see you, sir. All right, take your hat off, please. You know, the deal is gonna be open on the date of trial. You could do better, can't do any worse. Who's that?
All right, well, I'll just wait till trial. I'll wait till trial to actually think about it, and then I go from there.
You say what now, sir?
I'll wait till trial to take before I take the deal.
Let's set a trial date for January the 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m. January 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
January the 5th at 9 a.m.
Yes. Have a great day,
Okay.
sir. Good luck to you.
All right.
What's going on? You all right? Yeah, how you doing, man? All right. How your mom doing? She's doing well. She's doing well. Can't complain. You had a case today? Yeah, down here. In Jefferson Room. Okay, okay. Everything good? Something new on me, man, but I'm trying to feel it. Well, fight it, man. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Good luck to you. All right, you good. You good. All right, too. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus the roof. Mohammed, case numbers or case number. Where's that? U647978822. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Wozak on behalf of the
No, he has
defendant.
a retained counsel.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge.
That's all right. Thank you.
Okay, go.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lawrence Elisel on behalf of Mr. Mohammed, P71355.
All right. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. But does Mr. Mohammed need an interpreter?
No, Your Honor. My client would stand mute and waive any formal reading, please.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Can your client state his name for the record, please?
Mr. Mohammed, you have to state your name for the court.
Abdurrauf. My name is Abdurrauf. Abdurrauf Muhammad.
Your Honor, it appears he does have someone assisting him, so we might need a translator. I apologize.
All right, let's, what do you want to do? Was he willing to do complete community service or not, if he gets convicted?
Your Honor, he would, but I would, if the disorderly conduct would remain open, I would respectfully request a trial date.
Very well.
Please.
The trial date is going to be December 14th, 2022 at 9 a.m. And then we'll have an Arabic interpreter.
Yes, please.
Okay. If there's nothing further, that's going to be his next action date.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. All right, he's free to leave. Okay, let's see. The lady up there with the Samsung device, I've been trying to get your name. What's your name, ma'am? Okay, let's see where else we're at. Okay, let's go back on the record with your client, Mr. Faulkner, Mr. Cruz Hernandez. I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Ok, señor Faulkner, ya le he dado yo oportunidad de hablar con la en la sala de consulta privada con su cliente, señor Cruz Hernández, cómo desea proseguir, abogado.
My client continues his not guilty plea requesting a bench trial date.
Mi cliente continúa sosteniendo su declaración de no culpabilidad y está solicitando una fecha para un juicio por juez.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Cruz Hernandez?
¿Eso es lo que quiere usted hacer, señor Cruz Hernández?
Sí.
Yes.
Is your client continuing to do community service if there's any sort of conviction?
Y si hay algún tipo de condena después del juicio, ¿usted está dispuesto a hacer las horas de servicio comunitario?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. All right, December 21st, 2022 at 9 a.m. is gonna be the date of the trial.
Ok, señor. Entonces, el día para su juicio va a ser el 21 de diciembre del 2022 a las 9 de la mañana, aquí mismo.
Está bien, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Bueno, señor, que tenga un buen día. Buena suerte para usted. Se puede retirar.
Ok, gracias igualmente.
Okay. Thank you. Very kind of you.
All right, let's call Nazer Alaswal.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did I get that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
I have to log out and log back in.
No, you're on, ma'am. I've been trying to get your attention. If you keep, hold on 1 second.
There we go.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Nasir Abdul Azawal, case number U647-97122. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant.
All right, can you state your name for the record, Mr. Azawal?
Nizar Lashwal.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, my client waives a formal reading and stands mute.
I got in a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. His offer is going to be the standard one: disorderly conduct, 12 hours community service, HIV STD testing, and misdemeanor morality. He has an absolute right to a trial. We'll give him a trial date if he wants one. What would you like to do, sir? And you can speak to Mr. Faulkner in a breakout room if you choose.
I would like to take it to trial.
All right. All right. Will you agree to do community service upon conviction?
If he's convicted.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. That's going to be December 21st, 2022 at 9 a.m. Okay.
Say that one more time. I couldn't hear you. Sorry.
December 21st, 2022 at 9 a.m.
December 21st, 9 a.m.
All right. Have a great
Got
day,
it.
sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye-bye.
Ma'am, with the Samsung device, what's your name, please?
Ashley Elizabeth Lachinsky.
Great. Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
You run our driver's license. This is the city of Detroit versus Ashley Lachinsky, case number SP125555851. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Ashley Elizabeth Lachinsky.
As for purposes of arraignment, Mr. Faulkner.
Client waives formal reading, stands mute, Your Honor.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give him a $0. Give her a $0 bond. I'm sorry. We will find out if the license is valid. Stand by.
gotta run it one more time because she.
All right, let's pass that matter. Let's move on to City of Detroit versus Edwin Duran Rios. Case number SP 1370484, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, I don't know if Mr. Duran Rios needs an interpreter.
Sí, por favor, necesito un intérprete.
Okay, he needs an interpreter. Okay, este es el caso del señor de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Edwin Duran Ríos. Su caso es SP 1370-4841 y 4842. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Okay.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant.
Mi nombre es Paul Faulkner y estoy representando al acusado.
Your name,
Señor, diga
sir?
su nombre para que consten en el acta. Señor.
Me llamo Edwin Durán Ríos.
My name is Edwin Duran Rios.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Do we have a Officer Torres?
I believe the officer is not signed in. I'd move to dismiss.
Tenemos aquí, hoy es el día estipulado para el día de juicio. Tenemos a un oficial Torres. ¿Dónde está el oficial Torres? Su abogado dice el oficial no está aquí, por lo tanto, la defensa pide que se deje caer el caso.
And I'm going to grant counsel's motion to dismiss based on no officer present.
La corte entonces acepta la solicitud de desestimar el caso debido a que el oficial no se ha presentado.
Okay.
If there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Muchas gracias,
Okay,
su señoría.
señor, no hay más nada más. Usted se puede retirar, ya no tiene nada. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Hasta luego. Bye. Muy bien, señor, gracias.
Okay. There, Tamara Harper, Officer Tamara Harper. This is the City of Detroit versus Johnny Edwin Lucas. Case number SP 134-11721. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Daniel Wozak on behalf of the defendant, P35225.
Okay, Mr. Lucas, can you state your name for the record, please?
Johann Edwin Lucas.
Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. There's no Tamara Harper officer that has been in the Zoom room or that is responding now. Go ahead, Counselor.
I would make a motion to dismiss at this time, Judge.
Okay, I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss based on no officer.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Lucas, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Happy holidays.
You as well. Let's go back on the record with Miss Ashley Lazinski. Ms. Lazinski, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. She does have a valid driver's license, and I'll waive the warrant for you. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. All right. All right, is there an officer? Is there an officer? Willie Harvey, Officer Willie Harvey. This is the city of Detroit versus Aldo Ishmael Gayton Montesinos. Case numbers SP 133-3533, counts 1 and counts 2. And also case number SP 130-73701. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Daniel Wozak on behalf of the defendant.
Good morning, Your Honor, Mr. Montesinos. ¿Usted necesita intérprete?
No, I don't need an interpreter.
Okay, thank you.
State your name for the record, Mr. Montesino.
Aldo Montesinos.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial on the SP 133-533, counts 1 and counts 2. Go ahead, Counselor.
Daniel Wozak with the defendant. I'm making a motion to dismiss. There is no officer, Judge.
Okay, I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss for both of those counts, no officer. Your client has a open defective lights ticket that is in default status. I'll set the default aside. I'll offer him the defective equipment for $120 to clear that matter up. You want to take that deal, sir, or not?
No,
All right, so what do you want? How do you want to handle this ticket?
I'm not sure, officer, sir. When did I get the ticket?
The ticket was issued on February the 4th, 2022 at around 12:01 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and McMillan. Insufficient or defective lights on a 2002 Dodge.
That was my mother's car, sir.
I'm not asking whose car it was, sir. I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Wozak to discuss it.
Okay.
I'll give him a defective equipment ticket, Mr. Wozak, $120, or he can set it for a formal hearing.
Okay.
Join the room, please. Sergeant, have you spoken to Mr. Goss yet?
Earlier today I did, then I went to 220. So I was just coming back to check to see if anything happened with that case.
All right, that is Lomax. Is Lomax here? Any Lomax? John Morrell, Wesley Lomax? City of Detroit versus John Morrell, Wesley Lomax, case numbers SP 1204446, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1234191, SP 123, strike that, SP 1204433, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Excuse me.
Sergeant, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Sergeant Corey Tyson, badge SA27, Detroit Traffic Enforcement.
Your Honor, it appears my client is not here. I have no knowledge why my client is not here.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. It is now 10:47. And I'm going to put a failure to appear warrant, $0 warrant. If there's nothing further, Mr. Sergeant Carson, you have a very good day. You make sure you be safe out there, please.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Okay, let's move on to Is Nathan McCann here?
He was here earlier with a counsel of his own.
We've already called that case.
Yes.
Who's on the iPhone down there? Can you unmute yourself, please?
It's the battery.
Señor,
Yes.
sí, señor, usted.
Yes, yes, hello.
Your name, sir?
Jose Lopez.
Jose Lopez Moreno. This is the city of Detroit versus
No, just
Jose.
Jose, it's just Jose Lopez, not Moreno.
Okay. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Erasmo.
Yeah, Erasmo, yeah.
Erasmo Lopez Jr., case number SP 120-77602. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant.
All right, today is the date time set for an arraignment on the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Faulkner.
Your Honor, my client waives formal reading, stands mute.
Okay, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, and I will give him a $0 bond. And I should say this is probably a state of Michigan case.
It would be, Your Honor.
State of Michigan versus Jose Erasmo Lopez. And it seems like there's some other cases that he paid or took care of some kind of way. It appears that your client has paid a related civil infraction to a U-turn, and he has paid a related civil infraction to a seatbelt. So at this time, we're going to dismiss the cases. Dismiss for paying a related civil infraction. If there's nothing further, sir, I'm going to waive the warrant fee as well. Have a
All right,
very
thank
good
you,
day.
thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
For purposes of, did we do the arraignment?
Yes, Your Honor.
$0 bond. Not guilty plea. Now it's going to be dismissal. There's nothing further. Have a very good day.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you. How do you do?
Mr. Garcia.
Refugio García, necesita intérprete.
Oh, he can't hear me.
Refugio García,
No,
¿puedo
he
oír?
doesn't have his audio connected.
Señor, tiene que conectar su audio. I'm sorry.
All right. Unless he's connected on one of those other devices.
Señor Refugio, señor Refugio García, ¿nos oye?
Okay, let's call. Reina Flores.
I am here for Reina, Edgar Reina.
Does he need an interpreter?
Sí, yes, he said in the chat that he needs an interpreter.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Edgar Reina Flores, case numbers SP 137-5725, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the
llamando al caso del señor Edgar Reina Flores, números SP 137, 57251, 57252. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Abogado Paul Faulkner, representando al señor Edgar Reina.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Señor,
Sí.
por favor, su nombre.
Edgar Alfonso Reina Flores.
Edgar Alfonso Reina Flores.
Okay, Mr. Flores, do you have the valid insurance and registration for the vehicle?
Señor Reina, ¿usted tiene el registro válido y aseguranza válida para el vehículo?
Sí, aquí lo tengo. Aquí está mi
Yes, I
registración.
have it here. I have it here. The registration.
Y aquí está mi seguro.
And here is my insurance, Your Honor.
All right. I'm satisfied with that. I'm going to dismiss both of the cases for providing valid documentation.
Estoy satisfecho con esto, por lo tanto voy a desestimar los cargos debido a que mostró documentación apropiada, válida.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Great day. Good luck to you.
Que tengan buen día. Suerte.
Muchas gracias. Igualmente.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Have a good day. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Alejandro Tapia Ramirez, case number U64796822. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Alejandro Tapia Ramirez.
All right, today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Faulkner.
Your Honor, my client leaves formal reading, stands mute.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Tapia Ramirez, if you commit to do community service, I'll keep the case here. If you we'll give you a trial date, and if there is some sort of conviction on the case, then I'll send you to community justice center. If not, if the officer doesn't show, then we'll dismiss the case. What would you like to do?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear you. I have my kids yelling in the background. They just
All right,
woke
join
up.
the breakout room and let Mr. Faulkner explain it to you.
Thank you.
All right, let's move on to who's on the phone at 313-801-3493. Can you unmute yourself, please?
La persona que está en el teléfono 313-801-3493, por favor, abra su micrófono, por favor.
You press *6 to unmute yourself.
Si usted aprieta la estrella 6, asterisco 6, se va a desbloquear su micrófono.
*6 to unmute yourself at 801-3493.
La persona en el teléfono terminando en 3493, por favor, abra su micrófono.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaten Montesino. Mr. Montesino, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
With your permission, Judge, he'd like to resolve the civil infraction where you have removed the default.
All right, you want to pay the $120, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're going to give him, are you okay?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to give you an amended count of defective equipment. I think that lights ticket has points to it. We'll give you an amended count of defective equipment. That is a 0-point offense, $120 if you'll stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
Yes, Judge, we'll stipulate.
All right, $120 defective equipment amended count. when can you pay?
I'm gonna have to talk to my mom about it.
Could we give him
All right.
30 days? Judge, I talked to him about the 14-day limit. Could you maybe give him 30 days and his job situation would improve?
Listen, where's your mom?
She's at my house right now.
All right, I don't want to see, what was the light out on this ticket? On this car?
Yes, Judge.
I don't want to see him pay $120 for a headlight. That's all.
Judge, what he actually tells me is that he pulled away from the gas station without turning on his headlights. The officer pulled him over and said, your lights are off. He turned them on. He never even knew he got a ticket, which is why it went into default.
All right. Give you the benefit of the doubt, sir, but dismiss the ticket as well, all right?
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much.
Have a blessed
sir.
day.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Alejandro Tapia Ramirez. Where did he go?
I don't know. He left before I did out of the breakout room.
You ran him up out of here, Mr. Parker.
You know, I told him you did 2 years in jail. That had something to do with it. He's back.
I think we got him back. He
Okay.
says you can't run him off that easy. Mr. Tapia Ramirez, can you unmute yourself, please? We need to hold that sign up for,
Yes, Your Honor.
yes.
Yes, I'm sorry. I was just overstressed. I have no help right now with my kids. It just had
You're okay.
the wrong button.
Don't worry about it. We're going to
I've
proceed.
been there. I've been there before, sir. I don't want to go again. I'm
Yeah.
overstressed. I'm overstressed and my kids are grown.
Yeah.
Here, here.
All right. You got an opportunity to speak with Mr. Faulkner in a breakout room. What do you want to do with this ticket, sir?
I'm gonna take it to trial.
Very well.
Bench trial, Your Honor.
Let's do a trial date. I don't know why all of them did that, but I'm not a lawyer.
Oh, yes, you are.
I don't know. How do I guess I am still, but not acting, huh? All right. I got another pen. Trial. December 21st, 2022. You'll do that community service though, won't you, sir, if you get convicted?
Yes, sir.
All right. If there's nothing further, December 21st, 2022 at 9 a.m., sir.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Happy holidays. Thank you, Your Honor.
You as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, we have two people that are not connecting their audio. I sent them messages.
Tenemos dos personas que no están
there's that
conectadas
person
con
on
el
the phone.
audio.
There's the person on the phone. What's your name, please?
La persona en el teléfono, ¿cuál es su nombre, por favor? Ya que abrió el audio.
Abundio Ruiz Alvarado.
¿Perdón?
Abundio Ruiz Alvarado.
Abundio Ruiz Alvarado.
Alvarado. Sí.
Ruiz.
Sí, Ruiz. Es Abundio Ruiz Alvarado.
Abundio Ruiz Alvarado. I don't
Sí,
see
nomás
it,
que yo
your-
nomás que no supe meter el Zoom. No sé yo y mandé la foto, me dijo que mandara la foto para allá.
I don't know how to get in Zoom, but somebody told me to send a picture and I sent my picture.
Well, we need his name. Can we get the correct spelling of his first and last name? His full name.
Señor, por favor, necesitamos su nombre porque no lo conseguimos en la lista. Sería tan amable de deletrear su nombre y su apellido. Su apellido,
Ok.
por favor.
Es A-B-U-N-N-D-I-O. Es mi nombre.
Abundio.
Sí.
¿Y
Y
el
el
apellido?
apellido es Ruiz, es R-U-I-Z. El otro apellido es L-B-A-R-A-D-O.
Okay, Abundio. Okay, Your Honor. His name is Abundio. A-B as in baseball, U-N-D-I-O. Abundio. And the last name is Ruiz.
Let's see, A-B-U-N-D-I-O.
Yes.
Abundio.
Yeah, that's his name. His name.
Okay.
And the last name is Ruiz. R-U-I-Z. And Alvarado. Another one, A-L-V-A-R-D-R-A-D-O. Alvarado.
A-L-V-A-R-D-R-A-D-O.
Yes.
Ruiz Alvarado.
Sí.
Ruiz Alvarado. Yes.
Buenos días.
Buenos días, señor.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
He's supposed to be downstairs.
Señor, se supone que debería estar en otra corte.
No, let me say that.
¿En otra corte?
No,
Ya va.
hold on.
No, señor, espéreme un momentico, ya va. El juez está buscando. Ok.
Está bien.
It's okay.
Does he have a ticket number?
Señor, ¿tiene un número de ticket? Allí en su ticket, ¿me da el número, por favor?
Sí. Es U6 4 7 7 6 9 2 2.
Le repito, U6 4 7 7 6 9 2 2.
Sí.
Yes. Your Honor, you
Es que
got it? Ya va, señor. You got it, Your Honor?
No, I said,
No, okay.
I said 14773922.
U6 4 7 7.
You. Okay, U6477392.
776 6922.
All right, U64776
Yes.
All right.
Perfect.
I'm getting it. The you threw me off there.
Ya yo estoy llegando. Me equivoqué en uno.
Okay.
Ms. Hernandez, you would be proud of my daughter. She listens to us. Yes, she listens to us. And this case actually did not come to me. Well, now it is.
Bueno, señor Ruiz Alvarado, este caso de hecho no me pertenece, pero ahora sí me pertenece, ¿ok?
Ok, está bien, gracias.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, that your daughter study Spanish, or?
So my daughter is she listens a lot of times on Wednesdays, and she went to the Dominican Republic, and a lot of the people only spoke Spanish, and they were so happy with her Spanish. She listens, and she even kind of texts me sometimes and corrects me when I'm trying to understand.
Oh, that's nice.
So he had court. Now, his case was transferred to me, and he was scheduled for arraignment on October 19th, 2022.
Usted tenía varios casos, señor Ruiz, y este caso específicamente me lo transfirieron a mí. Y usted estaba aquí agendado para ese día, pero para el 19 de octubre.
Judge Ford was sitting in for me on that day, and that case on that day was subsequently transferred to Judge Holmes.
Entonces, ese día yo tenía un juez que me estaba sustituyendo. Entonces, ese día, su caso fue pasado a la juez Holmes.
And he was scheduled for a pretrial on November the 2nd, 2022 at 8:35.
Sí.
With Judge Holmes?
Yes, because he rejected to do any community service.
Ok, señor. Y entonces, usted estaba agendado para una consulta previa al juicio en frente de la juez Holmes el día 2 de noviembre a las 8:35, porque usted se había negado a hacer las horas de servicio comunitario, entonces la mandaron para esa corte.
Sí.
His next court date is December 9th, is December 9th at 11 a.m. with Judge Holmes.
Entonces, señor, la próxima audiencia para su caso, anote, es el 9 de diciembre del 2022 a las... escúcheme, por favor, escúcheme. Es el 9 de diciembre del 2022 a las 11 de la mañana en frente de la juez Holmes. Esa es su próxima fecha. Ahora dígame.
Ok. Deme de vuelta la fecha, ¿el mes qué?
12, diciembre 12. O sea, diciembre 9, el 9 de diciembre. 9 de diciembre, señor. A las 11 a.m.
11
de la mañana.
Ok.
Con la juez Holmes,
Permítame. M. Ok.
S. Holmes.
Holmes.
Diciembre 9 a las 11 de la mañana.
Ok.
Tiene el número de Zoom para conectarse con ella.
Es que no sé meter yo el Zoom, el teléfono, no, y necesito buscar quién me lo haga, porque lo trataron, pero no pudieron.
Ok, necesita el número. Yeah,
Sí,
he has problems to get in Zoom, Your Honor, because he didn't know how to. He will get somebody to get him in Zoom with Judge Holmes, but he doesn't have the Zoom ID for your Judge Holmes.
All right, I'll get him the ID.
Ok, el juez Perkins, este que está aquí, le va a dar el número, anote este número. Y ese es el número con el que usted se va a meter en el Zoom con la juez Holmes para que la persona que lo vaya a ayudar sepa, necesita este número. Ok, anótelo.
Ok.
Ok, he's ready.
All right, Judge Holmes, Zoom ID is 360-133-0000.
Ok, thank you, Your Honor. Señor, el juez le dice que el número de Zoom para conectarse vía Zoom con el tribunal de la juez Holmes es 360.
Ok.
1, 360 133
Es 133.
ajá, y después 0000, 4 ceros seguidos.
4 ceros. Ok, entonces
señor.
mire, es el número es 1233 000.
No, ningún 1, 2. Es 360
Sí,
133
ok,
0000.
ok.
Repítame, por favor.
Es 133.
No, señor. Es
¿No?
360.
Sí, es 360 1
Ajá,
3
ajá,
3
ajá, ajá,
0 0
ajá.
0 0.
Ok, eso es el número de Zoom. 360 133 0000 con la jueza Holmes el 9 de diciembre a las 11 de la mañana.
El 9 del mes que entra, ¿verdad?
Sí, señor.
Ok, está bien, gracias.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Next month, yes, next month. Something else, Your Honor?
Yeah, that's it. I can give him the phone number to her courtroom too.
Ok, señor, le podemos dar también el número de teléfono para que se comunique por teléfono con el tribunal de la juez.
Ok, permítame.
Ok, give it to me, please.
13
No entendí.
965 2280.
Ok, el número de teléfono, señor, anote, por favor.
Sí, sí, está bien.
¿Está listo?
Sí.
Ok, 313
3, 1, 3. Sí,
96
9, 6,
52
5, 2,
280.
2, 8, 0.
Sí, señor,
Ok,
repítame.
ok, es 9, al área es 13, 9,
Ajá,
6, 5, 2, 2,
ajá.
0, 0.
No, 80, 2280.
Entonces 9, 6, 5, 2, 8.
No, señor, 2280.
Oh, ok, está bien, ya sí.
Repítame.
Ok, es 9, 6, 5, 2, 2, 8, 0.
Perfecto.
Ok,
Ese
ok,
es
está
el
bien.
número de teléfono de la juez, pero usted se tiene que comunicar por Zoom. El 9
Ok,
de diciembre. Ok.
ujú, ok.
Ok. ¿Algo más,
Entonces,
señor?
entonces marco al 9, 6, 5, 2, 2, 8, 0 y lo meto en Zoom, ¿o cómo le hago?
No, señor. No, señor. No.
¿No?
So I call the phone number and I get in Zoom. No.
No. Ok.
All of them, and they can tell you how to get in Zoom.
Señor, se tiene que buscar a alguien que lo ayude a meterse por Zoom.
Ok, voy a ver si consigo a alguien que me ayude.
Tiene que buscar
Ok,
a alguien. Y ya tiene el
ok,
número de Zoom y ya tiene el número de teléfono. El número de Zoom es lo que necesita para meterse por Zoom.
ok.
¿Ok?
Entonces, el número que me dio, el 968522280, ese no es para marcar para allá.
Ese es el
Para hablar
teléfono, pero su audiencia no es por teléfono, señor. Hágame un
oh,
favor,
oh,
señor. Anote este número. Anote este número.
eh,
Miss Carmencita, I'm going to give you your number. May I?
Yes.
Ok, señor, anote este número.
sí,
313.
Ok.
8,
8,
7,
7,
9,
9,
2,
2,
1,
1,
5,
5,
otro 5.
5.
Y ahí llame a la señora Carmencita,
Ok, está bien.
ahí, que es la que está ahí. ¿La ve? ¿Usted ve la pantalla o no ve a nadie?
No, es que no tengo yo en el Zoom, por eso le
perfecto.
digo.
Ok, pero
Ok.
llame a la señora Carmencita y si no la atiendo ahorita porque está aquí en la corte, le dejo un mensaje. Dígame su número de teléfono, por favor, donde ella lo puede llamar.
La es 313 801 801 34 93.
801-3493. You got
Sí, ese
there,
es mi número.
Miss Mateo?
Sí, ¿cómo se llama
Sí.
él, Emma?
¿Cómo se llama, señor? Abundio.
Abundio
Ruiz
Ruiz.
Alvarado.
Ok, Abundio Ruiz. Perfecto.
Alvarado.
Alvarado, perfecto.
Said he didn't want to do community service.
Señor, ¿usted quiere hacer servicio comunitario en vez de pagar?
¿Por cuánto sería del servicio comentario?
How many hours?
It's too late. He said he didn't want to do it. He's already
Pero es muy
scheduled for Judge Holmes.
Usted dijo que usted no quería hacerlo la primera
No,
vez,
no,
por eso la mandaron. Por eso
okay.
Escúcheme, por eso lo mandaron donde la juez Holmes, porque usted dijo que no quería hacer las horas de servicio comunitario.
Ok, no está bien.
Ok.
Sí.
Ok, señor, nada más, llame a la señora Carmencita.
Es todo, sí.
Ok, nothing else, just call Miss Buentello and okay, that's all, thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Ok,
sir.
gracias. Ok,
Bueno,
señor,
que tenga
tenga buen día. Have a
Igualmente.
good day. Bye bye.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Patrice Nicole Lockhart. Case numbers SP 122-72001. SP 122-72000 counts 2 and counts 3. SP 9 strike that SP 9761901. 217-329-171. 217-3 strike that 217-274-94 counts 1 and counts 3. 217-329-17 counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Daniel Wozak with the defendant.
All right, Mr. Spidell, Corporal Spidell, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Corporal Spidell, batch 402, Detroit Police Department.
Okay. This defendant has not appeared. We're going to issue a failure to appear warrant. $0. There's nothing further. We Corporal Spidell, you be safe out there and have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
All right, Ms. Mateo or Mr. Phillips, have you guys gotten in touch with Darian Lewis?
I have not. Nope, I have had no contact with Mr. Lewis.
I've spoken to Mr. Lewis.
You have not?
Yes, about coming, he's supposed to have been here. He's supposed to have been asking for some more time because he only got something, he got 36 hours.
He did 36, so he did half of them. If you can contact him, we'll give him another review date for give him a review date for January 11th, 2023 at 8:25 a.m.
So thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor, what happened to Mrs. or Mr. I don't know, Refugio Garcia? He was there or she was there. Disappear?
Yeah, they left. So we're gonna set another pretrial date and see if we can get them another notice. Because they never connected. I sent them a letter. I sent them a chat and they never got connected
Ah, okay.
to the audio. So I guess they gave up.
Exactly.
We'll send
Yeah,
a pretrial for that case. We'll send another pretrial in 3 weeks. Show cause. All right, we'll send a show cause. I don't know when that'll go out. We'll send a show cause for that. I'll write on there. Oh, show cause date is December the 7th, 2022. I want to write on there, defendant was in room, never connected to audio. And